Hey everybody, I got a video unboxing for all of you, and it is Assassin's Creed 3. Now this is, I pre-ordered this, so yeah, I've got it. Free mission and weapon. Now, here's the, this is supposed to be the third, this is the third installment in the Assassin series. I am sorry about the background. The music playing, it's from the next room. No, still got the, sorry about the glare too. This is the wrapper, it's on it. We got Connor Kenway right there with his tomahawk, bow and arrow, hidden blade right there, and attacking or assassinating a red coat soldier. And over here you got the red coats, the British, and over here you got the Americans flag. Okay. Dual weapons. Alright, let's read this. Ignite the Revolution. The American colonist, 1775, as a Native American assassin fights to protect his land and his people. He will ignite the flames of a young nation's revolution. Right here, these two, with him and the horse, and conspire with real historical leaders. It's him and George Washington. Multiplayer and naval battles. Okay, let's get this open. So hard to do this with one hand. I'm sure the Elite Ace knows that too. I love that sound. I love that. Love this knife too. My uncles gave it to me. I hate that. I'm gonna have to sit this down, y'all. I'm sorry. I gotta do two hands on this. Okay, got it open. Can't show you the code, but here's this is. The code's under my thumb, can't show you that. No. Booklet. Season pass, downloadable content. No. 2 discs. Don't know what that is. Oh, this 2 multiplayer. 2 discs, I guess. And the game disc. Don't lose this card. Oh, it's got the code right. Can't show you the code either on this one. Okay, let's see. No, 2 discs are multiplayer and single player. Oh yeah, and I'm so sorry about the lighting. It is terrible right now. I'm sorry. No, this looks like it's going to be a really good game, and I hope it is. And I hope whoever is watching this has enjoyed this video. I know it isn't an anime like what I usually do, besides the Paranormal Activity triple threat review. I know this is not the only Assassin's 3 review on here. There's no way that it possibly could, because I know there's a lot of people who have pre-ordered this game, and I hope you have enjoyed this review, this unboxing, and thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want to do. I'm not the president of YouTube or anything, so thank you, and bye till my next video.